How's everybody doing? Today on this tutorial, I'm going to be going over the pullback pass. Pullback pass is a Herman pass with a really good cover where you spread the cards back like that, you know? And I will leave a link to the originator of this move so you can see the guy who created it. He does it very, very good. But this is my handling on it. I do it a bit different than he does. So first, I'm going to be teaching you what the pullback pass looks like. And then I'll show you what you're doing, and then I'll teach you how to do it. So the way it looks is like this. You have a card selected, the Jack of Clubs. You put all these cards on top, and just by doing this little move, it jumps back to the top. And if we can do that one more time, but I'll do it face up. Put it back into the middle, and within a second, it's back on the top. The angles are pretty good for this move. You definitely gotta look in the mirror and practice a bit. This angle's pretty good. This angle's pretty good. This angle's pretty good. This angle sucks. Yeah, so let me show you what's actually happening. Basically what you're doing is a Herman pass. If you don't know a Herman pass, it's where you bring the top packet, that's where you bring the bottom packet to the top. That is a Herman pass, right? So it looks like that, and that's what you're doing, but the Herman pass is pretty visible whenever you do it. I mean, if somebody's burning their hands, they're definitely going to see you sliding that bottom packet to the top, no matter how fast you do it. So there's a lot of different covers for the Herman pass. There's one where you like turn it and you square everything up, like that, and I don't know the name of that. Leave a comment if you do know the name. So this is how to do the pullback pass. First, you get your card selected, and then you square it up. And whenever you square it up, you're going to leave your pinky just a little bit above the surface of the deck, like that. So whenever you square it up, this bottom card is left right there, out jogged. So then you're kind of left in this position. So upon squaring up the deck, like this, you can push up with that pinky and then get into position, right? So that's the first step. Square up the cards, grab your break, and then you're gonna lift up with your right hand that top packet, and then automatically go into straddle grip with this bottom packet. Now if you don't know what straddle grip is, it's this. So the pinky's on the back, two fingers are right here, and the top, and the pointer finger is on the top. It's like this, so you can hold it in every direction and it's not going anywhere. So from the top you do this, pick this up from the break, straddle grip, and then you are going to pivot this deck out like that. So now you're left in this position, but with this hand cover, it covers it very good. And then from here, you are going to push this packet on top really quick, right? So it's just like this. But if you add this motion at the same time, it makes it very invisible, because they can't follow the original packet whenever you add that move. Oh, I lost the card there. So you put all these cards on top, you grab at the break, you lever this packet up a bit so you can straddle this, and then you pop this over like that while covering it, and then you quickly drop this packet, place this packet on top, and then smear them together, right? So in speed it should look like this. So you just come over, boom, just like that. So if I were you, I would practice just doing the Herman pass without the spread, just like this. Keep on doing the Herman pass. And I have a horrible Herman pass. That's why we add the spread to it, to make it pretty imperceivable. Whenever you're doing the pullback pass, you want everything to be tight. You don't want things to be loose like this. You want it to be up against here and tight so that it gives you less chance to flash, right? And you want to practice spreading the cards, catching that break, and then doing it fast so it doesn't look weird. And you can also use this as a false cut. You swing cut the top half and then you just do the pass. Just go over and you just like that. Very, very simple, as long as you can do this. Hope you guys like this tutorial on the pullback pass. I will be doing videos every week, so make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you later.